Did you know? North India lies on one of the most dangerous earthquake zones in the world. The Indian tectonic plate is moving northward, crashing into the Eurasian plate. This collision created the Himalayas and generates massive seismic pressure. Result: India's seismic zones. Zone 5, Northeast J&K, very high risk. Zone 4, Delhi, Bihar, high risk. Zone 3, Gujarat, Bengal, moderate risk. Cities like Delhi, Guwahati and Imphal face frequent tremors. Not due to randomness, but because of ongoing tectonic compression.